Earlier today, the Indonesian Meteorological Office upgraded its 98S tropical low to tropical cyclone category 1 Mangga. Here's the latest from the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre, Bureau Meteorology, Perth office. Currently, the warning zone remains in place for the Cocos Keeling Island. There are no watches or cancelled zones. At 2 a.m. Australian Western Standard Time, the Category 1 cyclone sustained winds near the centre of 65 km per hour with wind gusts of 95 km an hour, located within 110 kilometres to 9.7 degrees south, 93.2 degrees east, for 85 kilometres north west of the Cocos Island. It's currently tracking south-southwest, south-southeast at 12 kilometres an hour. The system is expected to track to the south-southeast and pass to the rest of the island during Friday, and will then accelerate to the southeast, causing severe weather to western WA on Sunday and Monday. Gales with gusts to 100 kilometres an hour expected at the Cocos Keeling Islands. There are two islands. Later on Friday, before easing during Saturday morning, heavy rain is also likely. The Australian Federal Police advise of a blue alert for the islands. Communities on home and rest islands need to prepare for cyclonic weather, organising a emergency kit including a first aid kit, torch, portable radio, spare batteries, food and water. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has updated their position, and they have it located about 1421 nautical miles west-northwest of Learmonth, WA, tracking south-eastward at 7 knots over the last 6 hours. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery depicts a broad, weakly defined low-level circulation centre with flaring deep convection over the western semicircle. The initial position is based with fair confidence based on the broad nature of the partially exposed low-level circulation centre present in the infrared loop, along with an elongated low-level circulation present in a ASCAT pass. The initial intensity remains assessed at 35 knots, placed with fair confidence based on the 35 knots winds present over the northern semicircle in the ASCAT data. The intensity is hedged higher than multi-agency VOIC current intensity estimates of T1.5, that's 25 knots, which remain low due to the weak deep convective structure related to the moderate easterly vertical wind shear. The cyclone is expected to track south-eastward along the western periphery of the near equatorial ridge through the next 24 hours, then accelerate as it tracks within the enhanced flow between a deep mid-latitude shortwave trough and a subtropical ridge to the east. The cyclone will steadily intensify to a peak intensity of 50 knots within 36 hours as it transits a favourable environment of low 5 to 10 knots vertical wind shear and sea surface temperatures around 28-29 Celsius as the cyclone continues its south-eastward track, it will encounter increasing vertical wind shear associated with the shortwave trough around the 48-hour mark. The northwest region of Australia, including Leamont, may experience gale force wind gusts as the extratropical low passes to the south. And that is some of the information on this tropical cyclone. And considering where it formed, it's not unusual at this time of year for a system to develop. Now we have a look at the upper level divergence. Once again, it is healthy. However, it's been reported, Perth now, one of the media sites over in WA, weather warning, storm to hit Western Australian coastline from Cocos to Albany as winds and rain smashes Perth. Bureau Meteorology last night confirmed that a deep low pressure system moving towards the coast would deliver, bringing a long period of strong winds. The 850 millibar vorticity, it has actually got a little bit stronger. Now we have a look at the HWRF model. It is the winds and the information on the right hand side of the screen. We will have more from that news report in a updated item to this. We have a fair bit of information to bring to you, and the rainfall outlook. And we have a look at intensity. A couple of the models were indicating anywhere from 980 down to 975, but they've backed off over the last few hours. So we'll probably see around 980 millibars. We will have more, so please stand by.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.